Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope that you all are passing a good time. I'm also fine. Now I am at my home and now it's just 9 p.m. and it's time to study and I'm studying. As you can see, I'm studying biology, a book that I'm studying. So I'm not alone in this room. There are also two students here. The one is my little brother Snigdo. Snigdo da, can say hi to all.
Hi.
Hi, and the other one is my lovely student Istiak. Istiak.
Hi.
Okay, so guys, how are you all?
We are fine.
Okay, if you come closer, that will be good for us. Come closer. Okay, so far I know your exam is knocking at the door, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how is your preparation for the exam?
My preparation is good.
Just good?
Yeah.
I expect it will be very good, but no problem. Okay, so have you any problem or in any particular subject?
No.
No, everything is good?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I hope that you will do a good result in the upcoming exam because you study hard in last few days and you are also studying hard now. So Istiak, how about your preparation? How is your preparation?
Good.
Good? Okay. Maybe you also don't have any problem in any subject, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. They both are good student and they always try to study well, but Snigdo is more good than Istiak because Istiak is not regular in his study, but Snigdo is very regular. Snigdo always try to read a lot, and Snigdo is always try to learn a lot. Snigdo is very crazy, right, Snigdo?
Yeah.
Okay, so Istiak is also good. He is also good, but he is not regular. He is my student, and he is my only student and I teach him. I give sometime give some punishment to him, but still he don't read well. Okay, I have a question to you. Why you don't study regularly? Why? Okay, he feels shy. Okay, no problem. Okay, nothing to say. Everything is fine. And I really passing a good time with them. We in every day we in the evening from around 6:30 to 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. we all study together, and I feel I pass a very good time with them, and I really enjoy. Okay, do you enjoy? Are you enjoying this moment with me?
Yeah. I'm very enjoying.
Okay, so আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে এখন একটু বাংলায় কই আমার সম্পর্কে যদি আপনাকে দুই তিন লাইন বলতে বলি তাহলে আপনি কি বলবেন
বলবো
বলেন
আপনি নারায়ণগঞ্জ কলেজের একজন ছাত্র
Yes.
আপনি আপনি একটা পরীক্ষায় 42-এ পাইছিলেন
Oh no. Why are you saying my secret things? I will share this video in a lot of few public groups and also on my Facebook page. So why you say this? People will think that I will be I'm not a good student. Okay, no problem. Istiak, would you like to say something about me?
Yes.
Say
You are a good student.
I'm a good student.
Yes.
How you know this? কিভাবে জানলা?
আমি যখন এসে দেখি তুমি খালি এই বইটা নিয়ে পড়ে থাকো এর জন্য
Oh, okay. So what's the name of this book?
জীববিজ্ঞান
Yeah, it's the biology book. So maybe you see this book first time, right?
Yes.
First time. Okay. So okay, what is your future plan?
Doctor.
Doctor? Oh, that's fine. That's a good dream. Everyone has a dream. Singular, what is your dream?
I don't think.
It will be I don't know. Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But everyone has a dream. Why you don't have dream? Well, what's the reason? Someone wants to become a doctor, someone wants to become an engineer, someone wants to be a millionaire or billionaire. You don't have any particular dream?
I want doing everything.
You want doing everything?
Yeah.
But you are a one man. How you do everything?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, Istiak, maybe say something. Okay, say something, Istiak. তার সম্পর্কে কিছু বলেন. Let's say something about them.
ভালো করে মানে লেখে আর
আগে খাতা দেখায় তার মানে সে ভালো স্টুডেন্ট.
হ্যাঁ.
It means he is good student, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, thanks both of you for giving me such your valuable time. I'm feel very good, and I really feel great with passing time with you, teach something new to you. So it's really feel amazing, and I really feel proud for both of them. And advance thanks to all of you. And your exam is knocking at the door. I hope you both will do well in the exam, and I pray both for both of you. And okay, nothing to say, everything is clean, everything is fine. Okay, nothing to say. Have a good day to all of you. Best of luck.